at peace, stress free, let it be.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Ashley and today we have a very exciting, very cute thrift haul. So this haul is going to be everything that I thrifted in the month of September. I mean, I guess you could say like thrifted, like I bought it on Depop, which is technically thrifted. Just didn't go to a thrift store to get it, you know, same thing. In my opinion, I think September was one of the best Depop thrifting months for me. I found so much cute stuff, so much like trendy stuff, and just so much stuff that I love and I know I'm gonna wear a bunch. So I can't wait to show you. This is going to be a try on haul, but I'm also going to be talking about it, like holding it up, just trying to switch up the try on hauls a little bit so they're not all the same. I love thrifting so much, mostly because it's good for the environment. I am a shopping addict, but I have been really mindful these past few months of my carbon footprint and just my impact on the planet with shopping, and because of that I have been trying to thrift and shop on Depop and shop on Poshmark and all that good stuff. I also sell a lot of my clothes that are all gently used. I take really good care of all of my clothes, so everything is in really great condition, and I sell them both on my Depop and my Poshmark. My Depop has more like updated stuff, newer stuff, and my Poshmark has so many things on it, so make sure you go check both of those out. They're really good prices and I'm always open to negotiations, so if you're looking for some cute stuff, go ahead and check those out. I also have mystery boxes that I'm selling. I think there are like 7 of them left. Those are basically $45 for 15 to 20 pieces of clothing plus a surprise free Sephora item, eyeshadow palettes, face masks, all that good stuff. So make sure that you go check those out. So I am so excited to show you everything that I got. Let's just get into it. Okay, I'm gonna save my favorite stuff for last. I mean, it's all my favorite, but my like really favorite, it's gonna be last. So stick around. Okay, so first thing that I got were these brown shorts. They're kind of like mom shorts, like they're a little bit longer than I normally wear. I don't know, I just thought they were cute. I've been like loving brown lately, especially with my pink hair. I love the brown and pink like combo. You go a little bit more in on the waist, so it's kind of like a mom jean look, but like shorts, like I just said, mom shorts. And yeah, I think that these fit me really nicely. Next is this black and gray plaid flannel. If you've watched a couple of my other videos where I'm wearing a flannel, I have this one like black flannel with like yellow checks and green checks, and it's mostly just black though. And in those videos I said that it would be ideal if my flannel was oversized, because it's not, it's a size small, so it just fits me perfectly, even though I can make it look a little bit oversized. This one's a medium, so it is a little bit oversized, and I think that it looks so cute and it's so simple, perfect for fall. It's not as like thick of a flannel either, so it's like perfect for layering, because my other one was really thick, so that's perfect. Next I got these brown corduroy pants. They're more of like a tan, actually like a camel color. I really wanted them to be brown though. This just isn't the color that it looked like in the picture, and yeah, not the color that I was really looking for. I was reading that you can actually use fabric dye to dye corduroy, so I'm definitely going to try these a darker brown. They're just these nice like straight leg, really warm, like perfect for fall. I love corduroy in the fall. I feel like it's so perfect. These are a little bit loose on the waist, but I feel like it's a vibe, like a baggy pants kind of vibe, and I really like the way that it looks. Next I got these black Levi's, and if you've seen some of my other videos you might be like, Ashley, you already have 2 other pairs of black Levi's. Why do you need this pair? The other black Levi's that I have were actually a little bit of a splurge. One of them was thrifted, but one of them I actually bought brand new because it was like before I was into all of the thrifting and everything. So there's a DIY project that I really want to do with black jeans, and I don't want to mess those ones up. So these ones were literally $14. $14 for these beautiful straight leg. These are the 550 jeans. I've never actually tried on the fit of the 550 jeans, and I feel like I should have gotten 1 or 2 sizes up. These are pretty short. I don't know if they're like kids jeans or something, but they're pretty short, and they're also really tight around like my hips and my butt, which I don't love. Maybe I can find some way to make it work. Maybe cutting like the bottoms so that it looks like it's intentionally short, but I don't really know how to fix like the hip part of it or anything. But I'll figure it out. Either way, still super cute, and I got them for a really great price. I will actually be making a video of the DIY project that I'm going to be doing with these, so if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe down below so that you don't miss it. Next, I got this super comfy oversized sweatshirt. It's so like cozy, so soft and so warm, just like perfect for fall. I know I have a lot of sweatshirts, but I really love this one. And also the shop on Depop that I bought this from, the shipping was like $10 for the other thing that I bought from this shop, and this was $10. So I was like, if I'm gonna spend $10, I might as well get another item and then get the free shipping for the bundle. Just made sense to me. But I'm so excited to wear this. It's so warm and cozy and just oversized, and I love it. It's like a big, comfy teddy bear. Next, I got these white jeans. These have a little bit of flare at the bottom, and they also have these buttons on the back pockets that I'm not a huge fan of. So I think I'm gonna try to find a way to take those off, but I'm not entirely sure how. There are a couple of stains on it, but that's completely fine. These were also like $10, and like the black ones, I actually got these for a DIY project. Again, make sure you subscribe to see that DIY project. So I'm actually gonna be covering up the stains, so I think it'll be perfect, and they're not super noticeable even if I wasn't covering them up. Still, like $10, that's a steal. Next, I got this pink tank top. It says, "Feeling lucky, Vegas, baby, Vegas." And it's cropped and just like a kind of like a baby tee, baby tank. I love this so much. It's pink, obviously my favorite color. And it's just super casual, giving me like early 2000s vibes. That's kind of the style that I've been really into lately. And yeah, it's just a nice like graphic tank top. It's a size medium, but it fits more like a small, which I actually really like because that is my size. Next thing I got was actually featured in my How I Style Overalls for Fall and Winter video, and it is this striped turtleneck. I think that this is so cute and so fun, and even though it's like pink and purple and all of that, it's still very like fall because the pinks and purples are like muted. So this is perfect for fall. I actually don't have that many turtlenecks, so this was a good find, and it was literally like $8. You really can't beat that. Next thing I got is a little bit tacky. This brand was kind of like known for being tacky. I'm really not sure why it was so popular, but it is this Ed Hardy t-shirt. I really don't like Ed Hardy like designs that much, but I loved the design on this t-shirt. It says "Love kills slowly," and then it has like a skull and a heart and like flowers and all of that, and then it says Ed Hardy, and then on the back it also says Ed Hardy. I'm so happy that I found this. It was like $15, and I got it in an extra large because I'm also going to be doing another DIY project. I have all these DIY projects planned. I'm going to be making a corset out of this t-shirt, so if you want to see me attempt to do that, go ahead and subscribe so that you don't miss it. Oh, the next thing I got, I'm not entirely sure how to style it, so it's not gonna look super great in the try-on portion of this, but I loved it and I felt like I could style it different ways once I thought of them. I just haven't really sat down to like think about it. But like everybody is wearing those like lacy sheer like nightgown, like the slip dresses and all of that. So when I saw this, I had to get it. I just like fell in love with it immediately. Yeah, it is this light purple. It's sheer all over. It's from Victoria's Secret. It's a size large, but it fits like a small, honestly. And it has like this lace and like sequins on top, and then it has lace at the bottom with a little slit, and then it has like a little tie on the back, and it's like kind of open. Yeah, make sure you follow me on Instagram to see how I end up styling this, because I really don't even know how I'm gonna end up styling it, but once I figure it out, I'm definitely posting a picture in it because this is so cute. The next thing I got is for another DIY project. I have so many DIY projects planned. I just realized I should really get started on those. But they are just these brown jeans. This is the brown that I wanted those corduroy pants to be, but unfortunately they are not. But these are kind of the same vibe, but these are actual jean material, not corduroy. And they're straight leg, a little bit flare, but mostly straight leg. These are also a little bit baggy around my waist, which is how I wanted it to look. And they're super comfy. There's a lot of room to move around in. These were also like $10, which is insane, and I'm absolutely obsessed with the way that they are now, but I am going to be doing a DIY project with them and hopefully making them look even better. But yeah, loving the color brown. So cute. Perfect for fall. This next piece was also featured in my How I Style Overalls for Fall video. It is just this hot pink chunky knit cardigan. I am obsessed with this. I was looking for a pink cardigan for so long, but they were all like the wrong color. They had patterns, or they were like really thin, and I wanted like a chunky one. Then I stumbled across this one for like $15. I mean, you really can't beat that. This is so cute. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. It has like the 3 buttons and like this open chest vibe going on, and you can wear it like open, or 4 buttons, sorry, but you can wear it like open or just with the top button or with all of it buttoned, and it's just so cute. And even though hot pink isn't really a fall color, I feel like this is so perfect for fall, and we're just gonna make it a fall color. Maybe I should have saved that one for last. I think that was my favorite one. Oh well, we're already here. Maybe we're not going in order of favorite. Next is something that I had in my cart for I think like 2 months, and I really wanted it, and then for some reason I couldn't convince myself that I should get it because I don't know, I didn't think that I needed it. I mean, I don't need it, but I really wanted it. So it is this 3/4 sleeve shirt, which I love 3/4 sleeve shirts, and it has this little like cut v-neck thing. And then the image on the front is like a cowboy in like the Wild West, and he has an orange cowboy hat on with like bedazzles, and then there's bedazzles on his pants. And I don't know, I just thought this was so cute and like casual and simple. I don't really know, but I am obsessed with this. I think that it's perfect and just so comfy. Finally, I have 3 different tennis skirts. Tennis skirts are super popular right now, and I actually got these for a steal. As soon as I came across them, I didn't even like put them in my bag and wait for the price to go down. I just bought them because I was like, I'm obsessed with these. I love them so much. And they were already set at a really good price, so I knew somebody else was gonna like snag them up before I did. That's like the thrill of like Depop and like thrifting for me. It's really bad. It's like really addicting. There's a black tennis skirt. It's Adidas, and it has these 2 white lines going down the middle. It's a skirt, so there are shorts built into the bottom, and it's a size medium, so it's a little bit big for me, but I think I can alter it to make it fit me better, or just like, I don't know, I'm gonna figure out how to make this fit better. But it's so cute. I love it so much, and I think this was literally like $15, so such a steal. It's crazy. Next, I got this white Adidas one, and it has these like black and gray stripes on both sides. This is also a skirt, so there are shorts underneath, and it has this really thick waistband, and then this like mesh on the back, a little stain on it, but I haven't actually washed this yet, so I'm not sure if it'll come off. Hopefully it will, but even if I can't, it's really not that noticeable, to be honest. This one is a little bit tighter, but it is still super cute, and it still fits like really well, just a different like kind of fit than the other one. And last but not least, we have my absolute favorite tennis skirt out of the 3. It is this white Nike one. It has this lime green Nike symbol, and then it has this lime green trim around it. I absolutely love this one so much. I love the fit of it. I love the slits on the side. Again, this is a skirt, so it does have shorts underneath, and I just think that this one fits me really well. I love like the loose and flowy fit of it compared to the other white one that was a little bit tighter. I think this one was a little bit pricier. I think it was like $30, but for like a Nike tennis skirt, and they're so in style right now, I feel like that's such a steal, honestly. And sometimes for like thrifting, I really don't mind just like splurging a little bit, because it's not even considered like a splurge. If I were like buying it brand new, this would be like easily like $60 something, and it's in like perfect condition, so really can't complain about anything. This is my absolute favorite. I love it so much. The only problem is that I bought this and I don't own anything like lime green, so now I have to take on the adventure of finding something lime green that I can thrift or that I can make. Either way, honestly. Okay, well that is it for everything that I thrifted in September / everything that I bought off of Depop in September. I hope you all enjoyed this style of try on haul where I'm like talking to you a little bit and then trying on clothes and then talking to you and then trying on clothes, you know. Hopefully you liked it. It's officially the end of September, and that means it is the end of me posting twice a week. But for October, I am going to be going back to posting only on Wednesdays. But if you liked me posting twice a week, I can totally do it. Honestly, it wasn't that much more work, so maybe I can try it out for another month. Let me know down below if you want me to do another month of posting twice a week. Maybe I'll do it in like November or something, who knows. But I think just for October, I am going to be going back to posting once a week. But let me know if you want me to post twice a week again, and I'll make it work. Let me know down below what your favorite piece that I got was, and make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on those DIY projects that I have planned. Again, there's a lot of them coming up. Don't forget to check out my Depop and my Poshmark, because there's so much cute stuff posted there. I am always posting new things. I have like a whole box of things that I still need to post, so make sure you go check those out, link down below. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next week in my next video. Bye!